Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn how to make this kind of login page in netbeans IDE. You can do this kind of things here. You can put your username and password in the password field and see the password and hide the password. There is a checkbox. You can click on here, and the next video I can show you that how could you connect the sign up page and login page. First of all, you have to go in the netbeans IDE. Sorry, double click here and it will be open up. Then you have to go this icon. This is new project icon, Java with N, select it, then Java application, select it. Next, click on finish after giving a name. Project, finish. Then go in project icon. You will see here new. Now our project name was project, and here you should go in the source package. In this project, you can make a JFrame from new and JFrame from you can write here login. Okay, finish. So this frame is created. Now double click here, then set the size 1366768. Okay, after creating this form you have to go in palette, then select label, hit here again, palette, select label. This label is for username, this is for password. Then again go palette, select label, wait, select label for the underline and another label, another underline. Then again palette, select text field, and then password field. Where is it? Here, password field. Then you need a checkbox and go palette and where is the checkbox? Here, checkbox. Then again a label for writing, forget password. Then a button here. This is for writing login. Then again a label for have an account. Then label for sign up. That's it. Then you should edit the text. Edit text. User name. Edit text. Password. So I already edited this and this. Also this. Okay. Then I will put these things in proper distance. Maintain a proper distance. Okay. This is the dashed line. This is now okay. Then I set the layout, absolute layout. Then I will check it in going source, then run file. Here is it. You can see this line is big. So we edited this line, whole line again, and now if we check run file, now it's okay. You can adjust your code as you wish. Then I will select the whole text and go to properties. Our background is black, so I will hit this color foreground white. Then I will change the font bold 14. Okay. So white color is not showing up in the white background. That's okay. After setting the background, this will be shown. Then I am taking to label for the icons. First of all, we should go here in the project. In this project, source package, new Java package. I will write items. Okay, then I will add the pictures here in my file and document film icon. I selected all the icons and will paste it here. Now check the item box. Okay, all the pictures are here. Now here I will go properties, then select it, project, items, and the user icon. Okay, close. And here again properties, icon, items, height. Okay, close. I will edit the text. Okay, and from navigator or level 9, I will copy it and paste it. I will edit the text here too. Okay, navigator from level 9, I will go to properties and icon. Then I will click OK here, then close. Okay, this text is not edited. Level 9 and 10, I will go in events, mouse clicked, and here we have to write some code. Again, we will go in level 10, events, mouse and mouse clicked, and I will put some code here. We will go in this page, source, and I will copy this. You can do the same things too. Just put the codes here as it is, and then which I will copy these things again. Here see the grid mark. Okay, I will go in the design sector and change the variable name here. Change variable name disable. Okay, and here change variable name will show the view show. And in this field, I will change variable name text password. Okay, actually we have selected the wrong icon here. I will go to the properties again and I will select this show icon. Okay, so, and I have to mix some code for here. I will set the name text username. Okay, and again I go in the login section and just copy this line. Again here, tools. I have to put this code here after any components. That's it. Then if we run the code, run file, we can see this. Here we can put the name. Here in the password field password. We click here, we can see these things. This is okay. Then I will go again in the design section. I will select this whole thing. And then double click here and I can move these things. Like this. It's okay. And I will select layout again. Now for the background, I will add label here, label properties, icon, items, then this. Okay, just put it in the absolute place. I have to edit it. Okay. I adjusted these things and now I have to change the foreground for the login as its background is white. I will make it black. So now we can run this file. Username, password, we can see it. Okay. As this section is not in the center, we can make it in the center position. For this, we have to go in the design, then navigator, JFrame, properties, code, here generate center, close. Then we have to go in the source. We have to run this file. See, this is in the center position. Then here is the cross icon, and we can cut it here. Here, this. Okay, the code is ready. So this was our code. Thank you so much.